Welcome to my world here on the internet. I'm your host, Moses Beauchamp, and today we're discussing a new business opportunity that I ran into. It's WoodProfits. You can start a profitable home-based woodworking business starting today. Woodworking is one of the earliest professions. Its history dates back to 400 AD. Today, woodworking is a huge industry and it's making people a lot of money. If you have a passion for woodworking and you have always wanted to start your own business, it turns out you can do so for under $1,000. Grow the business at $150,000 a year. In this video and post, we are going to look at how WoodProfits will help you start your own woodworking business with the spare space that you have at your home. So if you've been contemplating and starting a profitable home-based woodworking business, sit back and relax and watch this video to the end. Or if you're reading this on the blog, read it all the way through so you can discover how easy you can achieve your dreams. Right about now, you may be asking yourself, what's WoodProfits all about? WoodProfits.com is a website dedicated to showing people how to start a home-based woodworking business with limited funds. In a complete guide, Jim Morgan, a home-based woodworking business owner with years of experience in the industry, shows and explains the nitty-gritty of launching a home-based woodworking business. As Jim explains, you do not have to be a professional woodworker or have a large woodworking shop with expensive machinery to make it in the business. All you need to know is what items to make for high profits, where to sell the items, and how to sell and who to sell them to. Jim's guide is so great that it comes with an audio version that will give you tips and insights to grow your home-based business without having to spend too much. The guide is downloadable and easy to follow with instructions. Click below to start your own home woodworking business today. Who is WoodProfits for? It's for those that need an easy to start business that doesn't require expensive machinery or big space. It's for people who want a business that will allow you to work from home. It's for those who want a business that you can do during your spare time. And it's also for those who are looking for something that they can grow easily. If this sounds like you, then WoodProfits is meant for you. You don't need to be a woodworker to start a woodworking business. Jim shows you the secrets of starting and growing the business into a profitable venture with zero woodworking experience. You will realize that establishing a home-based working business isn't as expensive or risk as people think. If you're going to start a home-based woodworking business, then you'll need to learn everything about business, how to start it, what you need to sell for maximum profits, where you need to sell your items, who to sell them to, etc. This will help you avoid risking your investment and getting losses. The guide at WoodProfits contains everything you need to know, from the critical factors that you need to consider, marketing methods, how to tap into unique high profit niches. The guide also contains such fine details such as the exact words to use when selling your products to increase sales. You will also get to learn such things as the top profitable crafts to sell, the 12 words that will make your customers come back, how to get testimonials from your customers free of charge, tips on where to buy materials and tools at discounted prices, cool tips to grow your woodworking business, and sales skills, among other things. Apart from the things mentioned above, it will also help you discover amazing online strategies and secret resources for getting more profits online. For example, you will learn how to build strong online presence and discover the top selling projects at the present time. You also will discover real life success stories from woodworking business owners who started small and are now making 4 to 5 figures monthly. So if you have always wanted to start a woodworking business at home, then you should check out WoodProfits.com today. Start your own home woodworking business today. Click the link below or the button below this video and get started today. It's that simple. One love, my good peoples. I will catch y'all on the next video.